friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I will present you an unboxing, and after a while I will make a long time review of a new product which I think all we use when we ride on motorcycle, especially with pillions. It is a Bluetooth intercom. Some of you maybe know I already did a review about a similar product, an earlier model from same brand, Wayxin, which it is a very good product. I'm very pleased with this one, with some minor disadvantages, but because today I have the opportunity to test a brand new model, I can miss the chance, and I do it also for you to know if it's worth buying and if it's a good purchase. First, I have to do the usual unboxing. The parcel was shipped very quickly, this time from Spain. It took 10 days to arrive here in Romania. Maybe in other parts of the world it will arrive much quicker. Very well packed, parcel intact. Oh. First impression, the package is very nice color, and you know I like high-vis green. So the product is, the brand is Wayxin, the model is R15. I previously reviewed the R6 model, which is here, a very well-known, cheap, affordable brand which has very good performances. And maybe why not, in a few weeks I will make a comparison between these two models, because some of you maybe would like to know which are the main differences between these two models. So let's see what's in the box. Obviously, the first thing, the manual, and let me say, in this case I will read the manual, not throwing away as we usually do when we open a brand new product, because this type of product need a little bit of information, technical information for pairing, for connection, to know how to use the most of this product, because as you will see in a few minutes, this Bluetooth headset has a few functions, new functions, interesting functions, which you may skip if you don't read the manual. So, I like the combination of black and yellow. It is exactly my color of my livery for my motorcycle. First, let me say I'm very pleased with the design, with the materials used, and especially with the large buttons, well designed large buttons, because if you want to compare it with the other model which I have here, this was my main concern regarding this Bluetooth headset, the Wayxin R6, the size of the buttons and the multitude of buttons, small, very hard to reach with gloves. But in this case, this is for sure an evolution, and I like it. And yeah, another upgrade important for me is the USB cable, which this time is USB-C. That means I don't have to take with me multiple cables. I have USB-C cable for my GoPro, for my phone, and now it fits to the headset, which is a very good thing. Let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, the manufacturer provided 4 more accessories to match the color of your helmet with the headset, and the plastic is very good, very nice, very well finished. I like it very much. I will use the intercom with this plastic, the yellow one, because it's perfect for my helmet and for my motorcycle, but for my wife's helmet I will install the white one to match the helmet color. And this also solves another problem which I had with this unit. Both these units are identical, and for differentiating, to know which one is mine and which one belongs to the other helmet, I had to put a sticker here behind, but now it's much more easier to know which one belongs to who. We have here the earphones and the microphone, which I saw there are two microphones here. The microphone is interchangeable, yeah, very nice. You can put your hardwire microphone. Yeah, we have signs here. Or you can use the flexible cable one, as you wish. This is the connection plate, the large one, and it has also adhesive tape here. Yes, one of my main problems with the other model, with the Wayxin R6, was the connection plate, which not secures very well the unit, and sometimes when you take off your helmet you disengage the unit from the bracket, and you may lose the unit. far away, I still have perfect connection. The range test is passed. Who need more range?